At My Yogi Tribe, we are pre and postnatal specialist yoga teachers. And what that means is that we offer pregnancy yoga all the way from that first scan all the way up until the baby is born. And then we support you through that fourth trimester through your postnatal period. So you come back with your babies, we teach you how to do baby yoga with them. We teach you postnatal safe yoga to really focus on rebuilding your core. We focus on breath work and also pelvic floor health. And we especially like to carve out time in those classes, the mum and baby classes, for tea and biscuits, so that you can also make friends. We encourage you to make friends so that you find your tribe, your support network, because My Yogi Tribe is very much about women supporting women. So even in the pregnancy classes, we have group WhatsApp chats, and we encourage the ladies to swap numbers, to meet up. There's always people around the same gestations, and when they do make friends, they tend to come back to the mum and baby classes together. So it's really special for us to be able to guide women all the way through their journey with their babies, from conception all the way through to when baby arrives, through to that fourth trimester, which can be a real tricky time. And we really focus, especially in the prenatal classes, the pregnancy classes, we focus a lot on empowering the women, arming them with different knowledge about birth, about what's going to happen to their bodies and how incredible everything can be. Really focusing on empowering and having a positive experience. And then we continue to support them into the postnatal period as well. Thank you.